Hi, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my studio and my Potter's Journal for a kiln unload from Elliot. And this one is a little bit different because it's a collab with another artist and it involves this little guy. It's an amazing painting by a personal friend, and we made a special mug for a very special person in our lives. This is a cone 5 with a 12-minute hold because it's got ancient copper in here. The other thing I like to say is if you ever get the opportunity to collaborate with someone else, it's just wonderful. I am excited. I'm hoping that I was able to render justice to her artwork. Oh, let me get my gloves because we're at about 125. And we'll see what happens because I'm so excited. All right. He's amazing. He's so amazing. Oh my gosh, look at that. All of the work on the mug is done with Amaco velvet underglazes. Yay, I'm so excited. A variety of them, I think, like pearl gray, slate gray. I did royal blue, black. This here, of course, is my favorite brown. It's teddy bear brown, watered and wiped back a little bit. There is palladium for the staples in the poster. The mug itself is 4 coats of ancient copper, and I did the hold because, you know, it does like to be hot. The handle is Georgie's peanut ash, and with palladium there, and more velvet underglazes. Because I did do the hold, I was able to get the crystals out of the ancient copper. This is still the original. I don't know if y'all can see that on the edge. That is so cool. As I was saying, this is the, and in the bottom. This is the original formula. I still have 2 pints left. Eventually, I'm going to have to try the new one, or Mako's Copper Float. Though I did find out that Kentucky Mudworks has, I think it's called Ember, and it can look like ancient copper. Oh my gosh. I'm so proud of myself. Look at that. So cool. The other thing I did, because I had ancient copper out, and y'all know I've been on a kick with my little mushroom caps, is I put some on top of these mushroom caps. I am digging that. That makes me think that the mushrooms might be a good use for the original cosmic glazes that I have from Amaco, which there's like Dark Star and Solar Flare in those, because those aren't food safe, but this is something I could do with them that maybe would work, and maybe they wouldn't run off the shelf and destroy things. So I'm very, very happy, and this has brought me a lot of joy this morning. So I hope that whatever you do today, that you also have some joy, and thank you for being here and spending your time. I hope you have a wonderful day.